At ACROBiosystems, our mission is deeply rooted in driving innovation within the biopharmaceutical and healthcare industries, with a central focus on accelerating the drug development process, including targeted therapies, immunotherapeutic drugs, and their clinical applications. The ACROBiosystems groups comprises 4 subsidiaries: ACROBiosystems, Bioseeding, Condensed Capital, and ACRODiagnostics. With over 800 dedicated employees and a presence across 14 strategic locations worldwide, our impact resonates across borders. Our comprehensive suite of offerings include proteins, antibodies, reagent kits, analytical testing services, and manufacturing capabilities, providing essential support throughout the therapeutic development journey.
ACROBiosystems specializes in providing tailored products and service across the entire drug development life cycles, from research and discovery to commercial manufacturing. Our primary focus is on therapeutic areas such as cell and gene therapies, therapeutic antibodies, antibody drug conjugates, and vaccines. We offer application-oriented solutions purposefully designed to tackle key challenges in these cutting-edge fields. In cell and gene therapy, we are particularly committed to supporting our partners in the late stages of therapeutic development. To this end, we are continuing investing in enhancing our GMP manufacturing capability to accommodate advanced cell and gene therapy products. At ACROBiosystems, we prioritize understanding each customer's unique needs through open communications and collaborations. By combining our technical expertise, commitment to quality, and customer-centric approach, we empower our clients to navigate complex challenges with confidence, accelerate their timelines, and achieve their goal more efficiently.
Our mission has always been to accelerate the progress of biopharmaceutical research and development through commercialization. To achieve this mission, our core values are established from a customer perspective by first satisfying our customers' needs for product quality. Our core technologies for protein development encompass complex native structures, AI-based protein expression, scale-up production, nanoparticle antigen display, multi-pass transmembrane proteins, enzyme development, and site-specific labeling technologies. To ensure the quality of our products and services, ACROBiosystems has implemented quality management systems in line with ISO 9001, ISO 13485 for R&D and is in compliance with GMP guidelines for the production stage. ACROBiosystems has been at the forefront of monitoring and responding to industry trends and advances through our R&D efforts, ensuring our product offerings meet the current and future needs of our customers.
Looking ahead, ACRO is excited about emerging trends and our innovative solutions. For example, our A-Neuro platform for neurosciences research, offering things like recombinant proteins, neural factors, preformed fibrils, and electrophysiology probes, as well as our organoid toolbox, offering things like ready-to-use organoids, culture and differentiation medias, and organoid services, both of which are poised to offer innovative solutions in advanced research and therapeutic interventions. We're also expanding GMP-grade reagents to support cell and gene therapy, antibody development, and vaccine research, ensuring safety and efficiency. Beyond our core competencies, ACRO has built up our corporate development department, which fosters partnerships and adopts innovative technologies. In addition to our corporate development efforts, we employ a range of unique business models to drive growth and foster relationships within the industry. One such model is ACRO Certify, which goes beyond traditional distributorships by offering additional value-add services and support to our partners. Overall, our goal is to continuously explore new avenues for growth and collaboration while maintaining a strong focus on delivering value to our customers and partners. Through strategic decision-making and compelling narratives, we aim to solidify our position as a leader in the biopharmaceutical industry and drive positive impact in healthcare worldwide.